This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Jill Crinion. If you enjoy living in the country, you will fall in love with this newly remodeled country home with wrap-around porch, huge workshop, barn with lean-to, water, and electricity, along with fenced pastures perfectly situated on 13.27 acres of land. Freshly painted inside and out, open floor plan with gorgeous refinished wood floors. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and 2 bonus rooms. Gigantic living room wood burning fireplace with blower. Beautiful kitchen with custom cabinets and 2 islands. Owner's suite walk-in closet, custom sink, and claw-foot tub. All this plus so much more. Please call Jill Crinion 337-348-2652 with Century 21 Delia.